doing an inspection. I applied up the sections here, the toilet around it to see if there's any leak. I'm not seeing any visual leaks on the toilet at all. It's dry. And it's very solid to the floor. The flange is not broke at all. I mean, you can't even rock it hardly. It's pretty solid. No leaks under there. Well, actually, what's this here? Some water there. Let me see. The supply line let a leak. It's all wet. The supply line is soaked. But I'm looking, hold on. Might be something more to it. Looking for water. It's not leaking from there. It's not leaking from there. Oh, it is the supply line. Yep, there it is. See it? Yep, it's right here. Need a new supply line. It's dripping everywhere. So what's happening is that's dripping. And then after that, all that water's then seeping on into this tile because there's a lot of empty spaces. That water's kind of dripping around the toilet. It looks like it's toilet leaking, but it's not. It's the supply line. And then it gets into these cracks here where there's holes under the tile, so that water gets under there. But all the water is actually just traveling from that supply line and coming down. Although the tiles could be redid here. Some spaces where water can get in. So that's what it is. Just need a new line. It's just leaking here down the line. Alright, so this one was really bad shape. Got a brand new seals and everything, so it won't leak. Put that on. No. It's the wrong fucking one. It's a 1/2 inch per valve. I grabbed a 1/2 inch and not a 3/8. Alright, so here we are. We got the old supply line out. You see it was in really bad shape. Didn't even have a good seal on it anymore. And it was leaking from here really bad down the line and then all over the floor and everything. So put a new one in, as you can see. New one. There we go. So let's see, no more leaks anymore. Supply line is, of course, is on position, and it's dry, as you can see. Let's do a flush just to confirm that the toilet itself is not leaking anywhere. All right, bring my hand around. Dry. Bring my hand around. And it's dry. So the toilet's fine. Good to go. That's all the problem. It's now dry on the floor. See? So, just, tile here, it'll dry out.